Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this file. They're trying to make a flag font, which is pretty cool. And he's having trouble. He used the knife tool to separate these from what he said. And when he does the stars, you'd have to go to arrange and break curve apart. And then go here and just the opposite. And that works. For some reason it takes out the color, but then you just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in the color. And you have that font. But when he does the lines, it doesn't do that. And I've tried it several times. It does the opposite. I've tried to convert them to curves. I've tried to convert it to an object. So my only feeling to do it relatively quickly, let's just go ahead and do these other. We're going to need one more. Control D and make a duplicate. Whoop. I made a duplicate of the Control D and make a duplicate of the stars. And I would sometimes even make them backwards. And then select all that and do what we did and select that. And that didn't work. There's going to be something. Oh, there's two parts of the letter. If you can see that. So we need to do them individually. So we're going to make another duplicate of that. And for this, we might have to nudge that part out of the way and move our duplicate, and then do this part of the letter, and then nudge it back and nudge this part up, because you've actually got two parts of the letter there. It's treating it like separate letters. Then nudge it back, grab all this. Whoop, I hit the wrong one. And then take in, like he said he did, he uses the Smart Fill tool. And you need to kind of watch to make sure it gets everything, because sometimes it's going to block a little bit. And that's good enough for the video. And then what I would suggest is just take some rectangles and do this for the whole font. Control D and make a duplicate of that rectangle. Move it down, Control D, and then just take your Smart Fill tool, because I don't know really what the problem is on the lines. Maybe somebody will chime in and we can just do the Smart Fill tool every other one. And basically you're making lines of the flag. Pretty cool idea. And then to get rid of these lines, just hold down the Alt key and select that and delete them. And then just nudge these up. I forgot to do the F. But there you go. That's how I would do it until we figure out how to make this go back minus front on these. That's a really cool idea. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.